Nancy, are you tired?
Yeah.
This is Nancy Dawson. And Nancy, how long have you been taking boot camp?
I've been coming since July, 6 months.
Since July. And what's the biggest thing that you found change-wise for yourself?
I think just to change my shape, to drop a whole step size, and to be stronger than I've been probably in 20 years.
Alright. So, dropping pant sizes, important.
And feeling good about yourself and having a lot more energy to do the things you need to do every day.
That's cool. And Nancy is a really consistent person, and Nancy's even brought her daughters, her teenage daughters, to boot camp.
They do, and they love it. They are anxious to come back again in the summer.
All right. And both of her daughters are athletes as well. One is a swimmer and one is a basketball player. So boot camp works for everybody, especially for ladies like Nancy. Thanks a lot, Nancy.